Let's take a look at the online open class review or the course schedule. You can use the hard copy newspaper schedule. I recommend the online version because it'll show you an up-to-date, real-time look at which classes are still open and how many seats are available and if new classes have been added, because that happens sometimes. Now, this is the course schedule from spring of 2017. But let's just take a look under business. And so we'll just see, okay, let's say if you wanted to take business 150. So it tells you that this is the section number. This is the number you're going to need to register for your class. Okay, the course title, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9:30 to 10:20. This is the instructor. The class meets in CEMC 114. This means that there are 27 seats available out of 75, so there are currently 48 students in the class. Now, if you find that a class is not listed on this class review, it's normally because the class is closed. What I recommend is if a class is closed, just wait. It will open back up, particularly if it's closed during advising and pre-registration, because what's going to happen, for example, well, let's look at a different class to give you an example. So let's say you are trying to register for a math class. Let's say you want to register for, oh, perfect. Let's say you want to register for Math 121. Well, there are no sections open. Don't worry. Math 121 is going to open back up because students who are currently in Math 120 are registered for Math 21. They're not going to be eligible to move on. They're going to drop Math 121, and the seats are going to open back up. That's another reason I like the online open class review, because you can check it and what I recommend to students is just anytime you're thinking about it, just go on and check. You only need one seat. The other thing you can do with the open class review that I think is pretty nifty is if you're just trying to plug something into your schedule, and let's say you have an opening on your schedule Tuesday, Thursday, 8:30 to 9:45, and you just need to find something to take. This will allow you to just pull up every single class at the university that is meeting Tuesday, Thursday. I don't know why it pulled up this Monday, Wednesday, 8 to 9:15. But if you were just looking for an elective class from 8:30 to 9:45, it's possible that there could be something in here that you're qualified to take. Now, you do have to pay attention to prerequisites. So you can't necessarily sign up for cognitive neuroscience as a general elective if you haven't met those requirements. But this gives you an idea of what classes are available just based on time. And you search by the department. So for example, if you're looking for a literature class, you would look under English, and that's going to show us all of the English classes that will be available. English 250 is literature classes. English 305, which you do have to take, is business writing. And then you get into some higher level literature classes, and many of these are really pretty interesting. Double check, but you generally are eligible to take them to fulfill your literature requirements. So you may have an interest in contemporary American literature or literature of the South or what have you. So you can take a look at what your options are and again, find something that looks interesting to you. Double check in the catalog and make sure that you have met any prerequisites. But that shows you how many seats are still available. And again, that 4-digit section number code, that is what you need to actually register for the class.